Ihieng Maingko Kaselehlie. Today is our lesson number 2 in Pohnpeian verbs. We will be focused on the common Pohnpeian verbs, common language, not main. So for today's lesson, I would like to bring your attention to subject pronouns so that we can use them in creating basic simple sentences as we move forward in our lessons. So one very important thing to remember about Pohnpeian is that verbs do not change regardless of the subject. The number of people, who's doing the action, the verb never changes. Whereas in English, it does. For example, I am singing. They are singing. He is singing. She is singing. In Pohnpeian, the verb doesn't change. It's the same. So, I kokol, ke kokol, Israel kokol, se kokol, nono kokol, baba kokol. Regardless of the subject, the verb stays the same, whichever tense it is that you are using. So just remember that very important distinction about Pohnpeian. And here are your subject pronouns that I would like you to memorize. I, ke, e, se, kitcha, kitchail, Kumwa, Kumail, Ira, Irail, and Re, which is a sort of like also a short for Irail. Re, Ira, Re, short. You will notice, as you've seen obviously, that there are 3 we's. We are dancing. Se kakalak, kachakakalak, kachail kakalak. When you translate it into English, it's 3 types of we. They are different. Se you use when you are speaking and including yourself and saying, say for example, the kids say to their mom, no, se kokol, mom, we are singing. The mom is not included in the conversation. She's not part of the action. So se kokol, you're describing the action that is being taken place by you and other people with you, but not the people that you are speaking to. That is se. Kucha is we. We are singing. Kuchakokol, you're speaking to maybe your friend, and the two of you are singing, and you say, Kuchakokole, we're singing, we're singing. Or Kuchail kokol, we are singing. Kuchail. And kumwa and kumail are similar. Kumwa is you are singing, 2 people only. The speaker is not included in this subject verb action. Kumail kokol, you are singing, 3 people or more who are not. The speaker again is not included in this action. Irra kokol, they are singing. That's only 2 people. And irail kokol, they are singing. Many people, 3 or more, are singing. Now, again, you can use re kokol, and that's short. It could be 2, 300 or more. Re is short, a shortened form of ira and irail. So those are your subject pronouns. Please commit them to memory. I wanted to mention that is gender neutral. It can be used for he, she, or it if you are, say, describing another living creature. And then also the other point that I wanted to make for you today is I recommend that you find a native Pohnpeian language speaker to study with as we go forward. So talk to your mom, your dad, your uncle, your auntie, your grandma, your grandpa, and find a study buddy to work with to study with as we go forward in the verbs, that somebody you can ask questions of, and also you can also remember you can ask questions and put them in the comment section below. Thank you for studying with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Kalahngan o Kaselehlie.